Today, I'm going to show you how to make roasted kabocha squash soup. So good. First of all, preheat your oven to 375. You're going to start slicing up the kabocha squash. Save the seeds and set them aside. Cut them into about 1-inch wedges. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Add the squash to the pan and toss with oil or melted ghee and salt. Then, while that's in the oven roasting, you'll get started with mincing your shallots. You'll need about 2 tablespoons. And then you'll be chopping your celery and carrots. You'll need about a 1/2 cup each. Next, you're going to add your oil to your pan and temper your spices. You will add your cumin seed and your fennel seed. Then you'll add your ginger powder and shallots. Add a 1/2 cup of celery and carrots. Cover and sweat for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add your yellow moong dal. After this, you'll add 3 cups of broth and 1 tablespoon of miso paste. And then bring the pot to a boil and reduce to a simmer. Then toss the seeds with some cinnamon powder and cayenne and set them aside. After 25 minutes of roasting, you'll take the squash out and flip them. This is a great time to add the seeds. This is also a great time to add your cinnamon stick and your star anise. When the squash is done roasting, you're going to pull it out. Using a spoon, you'll separate the skin, and you'll chop them into about 1-inch cubes. Reserve a cup and blend it with some liquid. Add this to the soup with the chopped squash and mix to combine. Then you'll take your arugula or other fresh greens and you'll toss it with some salt and lemon juice. You'll sprinkle your seeds and then top it with arugula. If you'd like more Ayurvedic recipes, go ahead and hit subscribe or visit our website.